Hey everyone, welcome back to Beautiful. Today we are going to be creating DIY eyeshadow base. If that sounds interesting, keep on watching. What you're going to need is a white base. It can be foundation or concealer, something to mix on an eyeshadow that you don't mind scraping up. Okay, so you're going to want to take some of that white base and scrape in some eyeshadow. If you're using foundation like me instead of concealer, you're definitely going to want to use some regular eyeshadow primer on your eyes before you start applying. Okay, so after you get it mixed, just use whatever brush you prefer to apply a base in the shape that you want your finished eyeshadow to be. Okay, so next we're going to take a sponge and my finger and just blend out the edges. Okay, so that was it for our base portion. Now I'm going to take some eyeshadow and layer it over top of that base. I'm using the shade B from the James Charles palette, and then for my pop of pink, I'm using the shade Skip. Okay guys, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video and thought it was helpful, please like and subscribe. If you're following me on Instagram, please leave a big red heart on my most recent post to let me know that you watched this video all the way through the end. If you are not following me on Instagram, why aren't you? Come join the fun. We do makeup looks and sneak peeks for upcoming videos. It's at Beautiful Yanni. And if you're looking for some product reviews, check me out on Influenster, also at Beautiful Yanni. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.